Hi guys, we continue with our mathematics classes. Today we will see how you solve quadratic equations applying factorization. Okay, in the last class we saw how you solve applying the quadratic formula. Okay, today it's a shortest method because it have less operations. Okay, it's a little hard, but you need to know how you factorize. Yeah, in last classes we saw how you factorize the trinomials. Okay, now for example that exercise, you need to identify what kind of exercise is. You don't have here an coefficient only 1, or the coefficient is equal to 1, it means that is the x squared plus bx plus c. Okay, you only need to do that. Okay, the only way that you can get x squared is x times x. Okay, and now you need to look for the coefficients of the factors of 24. Okay, you can multiply 6 times 4 and 3 times 4 and 12 times 2 and 24 times 1. So it has so many factors, but you need to check that factors, adding or subtracting them, you will get 5x. Okay, or 5. Okay, for example, if you use 1 and 24, adding or subtracting, you will not get 5. Okay, if you use 12 and 2, adding or subtracting them, you will not get 5. Okay, if you use 8 and 3, adding and subtracting, you can get 5. Yeah, maybe it can be 3 and 8. I don't know what is the sign here, but this is 3 times 8, it's 24. Yeah, and 8 less 3, it's 5. So it means that can be minus 3 and plus 8. Okay, now you need to separate every factor and equalize to 0. Okay, for here, for example here, you will do that. Yep, and you need to get out from the parentheses, so you need to pass to the other side, and this is 3. The x1 can be 3. Okay, and here you need to use the other factor. Yeah, you need to get out again from the parentheses, and this is 8, so pass like minus 8, and this is the x number 2. Okay, so now you need to check that. I will create the graph. So this is x squared plus 5x minus 24. Okay, yep, you need to copy the screenshot of that and cut the image. Yeah, this is 3 and this is minus 8. Okay, this is correct. Okay, the next one. Again, you need to check what kind of exercise is. In that case, if you have one coefficient different of 1, maybe it can be ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so you need to check the factors of that. 3x squared, it can get only from the 3x and x, and the factors of 2, it's only 1 and 2, so maybe it can be 1 and 2, sorry. But you need to remember, when you multiply 3x by 2 and 1 times 1, you need to add and get -7. Okay, now for example here you need to check if that multiplication you will get -7. For example, this is 3 times 2 is 6, and 1 times 1 it's 1. 6 and 1 it's 7, so you can get that, but remember it's -7, so this is minus and minus. Okay, yep, and -1 times -2 it's +2. It's correct here. Now you only need to separate every factor. Yep, you need to get out from the parentheses. Yep, and you need to pass here to the other side. Yeah, and the number 3 pass to the other side, dividing here. Okay, now the other factor you need to get out from the parentheses, yeah, and only pass to the other side. Okay, this is 2. Now you need to check if that it's correct. Okay, I will delete that. And this is 3x squared minus 7x plus 2. Yeah. Okay, so you need to copy the screenshot of that. Okay, yeah, this is 2 and 1/3. Yep, is correct. Now the last one, it's not a trinomial, so you need to check here, and you need to look for a common factor. Okay, common factor. So again, you need to look for one variable that is present in the both terms. In that case is x, and you will look for the lowest, or the shortest exponent. In that case is 1, and you look for one coefficient that divides 3 and 2, and it's 1. So in that case, this is the common factor here. You only need to divide every term by x. Okay, so the result of the division in that case is 3x minus 2. Okay, and remember the factorization is the multiplication of the common factor by the result of the division. So this is equals to 0, and now you need to separate every term. Yeah, for example, in that case it's x equals to 0. Okay, x1 equals to 0, and that you need to get out from the parentheses, and you need to pass to the other side. This is 2, and that number 3 will be divided the other side. Okay, so this is the result, 0 and 2/3. Okay, let me check if that is correct. Again, GeoGebra, I will delete that. Okay, this is 3x squared minus 2x. Okay, now you need to check with the intersection here. Yeah, that's 6. Okay, you can change. You can change here the position, and you can have 2, 6, 6, 6. Yeah, you check here. Well, this is 2/3. Okay, 2/3. Yeah, 0.6666. Okay, and only you need to copy the screenshot for your exercise. Okay, and this is the solution for that kind of exercises. You can check that way, it's very short, yeah, but you need to know how you factorize the equations. Okay, guys, you will deliver to me the exercise 22, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. Okay, see you guys. I will wait for your homework.